Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to prevent auto hard reset, auto factory reset in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, lock your screen, and if you try incorrect pattern 20 times, then your phone will automatically reset. Okay, will get too many incorrect unlock attempts. Try again in 25 seconds. Okay, if it crosses 20 more than 20 attempts, then your phone screen your phone will go to automatic hard reset or automatic factory reset. So this will be danger to you, because if someone tries to unlock your phone, then they may put wrong pattern. Surely they don't know your pattern, and they may try many times, and your phone will go to automatic hard resets, and you will lose your important things in your phone. Okay, so to prevent this, make sure that such settings should be turned off in your phone. Okay, so for that, what you have to do is, first go to settings of your phone. Go to settings of your phone, then go to lock screen, then go to secure lock settings and try your current pattern. And here there will be one option, auto factory reset. Read the instruction here. After 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will be reset to factory default settings, and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. So make sure that this settings is turned off. Okay, if it is accidentally turned on by you or some others, just make sure that this is turned off, so that your phone will be safe from you. Okay, because others surely may try to unlock your phone if they find your phone, okay, without your permission, and you may lose your important files and downloaded apps. Okay, so make sure that this button is turned off, so that you can prevent auto factory reset. Even if some other person tries with your phone may to unlock by many attempts. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.